What would you do if one of your managed properties lost plumbing services for an entire day with only 2 days notice? Right here on University, we have a lot of construction going on, and on Friday, we found out that on Monday, the entire plumbing system for the building would be inoperable because they were doing sewer work. That's 7 businesses and over 60 staff that report to work every day. We were able to come up with other plans for those businesses and answers to that problem by the end of the day on Friday to make sure that when everybody got to work on Monday, there was no surprises and that we were able to operate as efficiently as possible.